Today I'm going to walk you through the OpenArt tool that can actually turn any of your images into a video. You'll be able to create your own work and even build a story around it. All you have to do is upload your images, and the tool will automatically generate a full story from them. Let me try it with one of my favorites. You can take any kind of movie scene you like and bring it to life. All you need to do is try it out. Just select a few images, and it immediately starts weaving them into a story for you. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this one, and really it's simple. Just head over, upload your images, and you can even create your own blog or story around them. Yeah, thanks for watching.